Hey everyone, need to convert your XRP to USDT on Binance? It's super easy. Today I'm going to show you how to convert XRP to USDT on Binance. First of all, log into your Binance account on the app or website. Make sure you have XRP in your wallet before proceeding. For a simple fee-free swap, tap Trade, then select Convert. In the Convert section, choose XRP as the coin you are selling and USDT as the coin you want to receive. Type in the amount of XRP you want to convert. Tap Max if you want to swap all your XRP. Tap Preview Conversion to see the exchange rate. If everything looks good, hit Increase XRP to complete the transaction. Your USDT will be available instantly. And that's it. You have successfully converted XRP to USDT on Binance. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.